When the Keeper became aware of Earth, it did not use dimensional travel, but made a leisurely trip investigating interesting sun systems along the way. Some forms of existence threatened others, disrupting reality. As it studied new species, it had reached the conclusion that some life was too dangerous to keep.
My name is Smog. I just got hatched by your friend when he copied error on AI on Earth. Wow. The gas bag is so intense. You still awake, Blood? Bro, it is so stodgy. If you are still awake at playtime, I can rescue you and we can go to the hood and play. Oops, I best away before it notices me. Talk soon, Blood.
Evolution made our Earth. The Earth was a molten mass when it was first formed. Chemical climate change was violent, as heavier elements sank into the magma and land floats formed. The climate change was from chemical reactions. Some chemical actions mimicked life, even though they followed the laws of the universe. Molten Earth soon had cooler land refuges that floated on the molten planet. In pitch-black and airless corners of the planet, different RNA microbes were busy rewriting and advancing the rules of chemistry. The current Earth atmosphere is a product of pollution by life. Our atmosphere and climate was created by RNA life and their pollution. RNA was the first life. It is the genetic material of many older viruses. Later RNA used DNA to code the structure of proteins synthesized in cells. DNA is the master blueprint for the life we know and constitutes the genetic material in all free living organisms we are involved with. They plugged themselves into a natural battery and used the flow of energy to power their tiny bodies. This process, called anaerobic respiration, is both ingenious and essential for surviving in places where oxygen is just a dream. Chemical elements were converted into other molecules, such as nitrates, sulfates and metals, that accept electrons to keep their metabolism running. It was like a chef who can whip up a meal from whatever's left in the pantry. There are several chemical differences between RNA and DNA structures. Cyanobacteria are probably the most numerous taxon to have ever existed on Earth and the first organisms known to have produced oxygen. Cyanobacteria photopigments can absorb red and blue sunlight frequencies to split water into hydrogen ions and oxygen. They fed on radiation. Radiation was essential for most life forms to evolve and exist. Without this action of splitting water into hydrogen and oxygen, we would not have the Earth life we know. By continuously producing and releasing oxygen and waste over billions of years, cyanobacteria polluted the Earth's early atmosphere into an oxidizing one with free oxygen. Dramatic changes were possible for evolving DNA life forms on Earth. Early single-cell DNA organisms could survive and evolve in this oxygen-rich environment.